Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to restart a Garmin Vivoactive 4 smartwatch. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into the video, okay? So let's say that one more time, super duper easy peasy tutorial. So like that means this is gonna be extremely easy. When you're working with your Vivoactive 4 smartwatch, there are two buttons over here, top button and a bottom button. Your top button is used for power and a whole bunch of other functions as well, but one of the main uses is for power. So to restart the Garmin Vivoactive 4 smartwatch, GPS smartwatch I should call it, I believe that's what it said on the box if I remember correctly, we're going to press and hold down this top button for about 15 seconds until the screen turns black, okay? So once again, let's just imagine we're actually, in the actual watch over here, okay? So we're going to press and hold down the top button, okay? Just press and hold it down for about 15 seconds. Might be a little bit more, might be a little bit less. Don't release it here, because if you release it here, you're going to be using the Garmin assistance, which I don't want to use. So the screen turned black, so now the watch is off, okay? So to restart it, all that I have to do is press and hold this button down for about a second or two. So check this out. I'm going to press and hold it down, okay? Once you see that little faint symbol right there, you have restarted your watch, okay? It's that easy. So literally, oh, it's actually downloading. I forgot. I said it had to download a software update. Anyways, if you don't have to download a software update, it will just start up. So I'm not going to make you sit through this bar loading up and watch this over here. So that's basically how you do it. You press and hold down the top button for about 15 seconds. Like I said, hold it through that Garmin assistance thing. You want to hold it through there, because if you release it there, it might start the actual Garmin assistance. You want to hold it until that screen turns black, then the watch is off. When you're ready to turn it back on and restart it, you just press and hold it down for about a second or two until you see that little symbol and you're good to go. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.